Hi and hello from Mayuresh Gears Private Limited. We are a trusted supplier of co-rotating twin-screw extruder machines, world-class products, globally sourced to meet diverse industrial needs. In today's session, I will briefly highlight the latest advantages and emerging trends of using twin-screw extruders. Wide application range, suitable for processing various polymers and compounding needs with flexible temperature control. Accurate feeding and consistent quality, equipped with volumetric and loss and weight feeding systems to ensure precise formulation and uniform output. Lower production cost. Continuous processing, unlike batch kneaders, delivers consistent quality at reduced operational cost. Higher labor efficiency. Once parameters such as temperature, screw speed, and melt pressure are set, the system operates with minimal manual intervention. Superior end product quality. Ideal for reprocessing materials, offering better output quality compared to single screw extruders. Advanced global technology trend. Designed for higher torque, higher speeds up to 500 RPM. So, as we provide solution for all your needs for compounding, please contact us for any such requirements.